Hello, for those who doesn't know me yet, my name is Carol. I used to be a professional kite surfer back in the days. A lot of travel and salt water. I have really good memories from that time. But now I have new challenges. Very different ones, but I still feel the same passion and enthusiasm for what I choose to do. I'm Isabella's mother, an entrepreneur, and I have an online school where I teach through the macrame technique how to make amazing paracord colors. After training thousands of students around the world, I feel confident to tell you that my way of teaching is very simple and intuitive, and that probably if you give me a chance to teach you, you will have fun while you learn. So today, what I'm bringing you is this new Corda product. It's a DIY craft kit for beginners, for those who never gave any chance for the craft stuff, or for those who love to try new hobbies and learn new things. It's also a very cool gift idea to give to your friends and family. I can assure you that with this kit, you will be able to share unique moments with the ones you love, create some special memories. Everything you need to make the collar and the matching bracelet is inside the magic box. Paracord in the right quantity for every pet size, high quality materials, careful select by me. Of course, the video tutorials are included, even with slow motion takes, so you can have the best experience ever. This stylish ID necklace is super lightweight and comfortable. The tag quick clip is also included, so your dog is always safe. You might be wondering, can it get wet? Yes, you can enjoy a beautiful day at the beach or at the pool without worrying if your dog will have the ID tag on. So here is my invite for you to come on this short journey with me. Allow yourself to learn something new. You might have some fun and be surprised by your artistic side. Who knows? Thank you for your time. Take care. See you soon.